Is this also a fungal nail infection, similar to that thing?
Yes, designed gray nails.
This really hurt after it was done.
It's hard.
If it hurts, then I'm sorry to watch.
It doesn't hurt. This bad one. Just remove it for him.
Not going, still continuing to draw.
Yeah. You play with your phone, it's fine.
I'm afraid to look.
Don't be afraid, don't look.
Inject anesthesia into this leg.
Inject the anesthetic slowly.
The foot is relaxed.
There's a stench inside.
Do you see if there are many dead ones? This isn't much, right?
I have about 10 portions.
10 portions? Well, I also have about 10 portions. Prepare well. Meetings are nothing, just eating.
It's not very good. If I gain almost 5 pounds today, it would be troublesome.
How much do you think Beijing is?
I just had an extra 80 to 90,000 yesterday, these past few years.
Fewer. 80 or 90,000. You take that away. You can prepare some wine. Let's prepare for a decision.
There should be a place. I think there should be a place. Anyway, it's the same, back and forth.
Why are you still bothering with that little rascal?
That's just waiting for me to speak. Waiting for someone to speak. Just waiting.
Just say it. When the time comes, you won't be able to take him away. Then just go, and you'll know whether you know or not. Today, don't say you're waiting for me to handle it. Where did you run off to? Where did he go to you? Can he trust you? People give you a little at a time. Tomorrow they'll find another way to repay you, and your money is handed over to no one.
Had a meeting with his group. Let's chat first.
April, don't talk nonsense. Not what you're burning here anyway. We won't get any money today, and we'll be back tomorrow morning. This way, no one will ask. Honestly, I guess it will just leave one person completely confused, right? All right.
Great.
Okay, great. You said you want to do this well. Let's sit down and talk about it. No, I'll tell you something good. If you can give this opportunity to most of your friends, how did I get it?
How did you get to this city? If you don't say it like this, he says you're not from here. How can you see this guy and walk to where? Can you walk over and give you that feeling? Where did you come from? It's always our country.
Even the mayor is burning. That person is always embarrassing. Probably reached the end. That still doesn't understand you as a mayor won't age. Even the villagers know. When you were on the ice, you took money from me. I must ask you for that thing, and then it was sent. Look for it. If you can't find it, you can't directly find me. Not my opening can be opened.
Oh, I'll definitely get it done well for you. How are you doing? How are your online friends? Yeah, I think it's good. Even Jack Money stuff on it. Where did the cow come from?
I know it's his reaction. He doesn't buy your approach, right? So every year, how late do I get back to you?